Okay guys, so I'm gonna run to Starbucks and this is, look, when I'm cute, I'm cute. When I'm not, I'm not. So this is what I am rocking today. So we got the Walmart sweatshirt, the Pretty Little Thing sweatpants. I have the audacity to put a Prada bag with this and my Moschino slides. Oh, I guess I can just do this. And how do you say that? Moschino, whatever. So I'm going to Target, and honestly, I made my own little tinted moisturizer today, and it's kind of hitting. And I put lashes on because I was like, I don't want to come on here looking, where should I look? Here. I don't want to come on here looking extra popped if I have to. So you're welcome. So yeah, let's get ready to go. I should probably find my keys because I don't know where my keys are. Okay, so I really need to figure out a better setup for like putting my camera here. But I think the tricky thing is that when I do film my vlogs, I film them on my camera as opposed to, or on my phone as opposed to a camera. So it's like I can't really prop that up, because then it's like, I don't know, can you be on your phone driving if it's like just recording something, or is that still like use of phone distracted driving business? Because I want no parts of that. As you can see from the blue skies, it is a nice freaking day in Minnesota, but by nice it's 34 degrees, but it still counts as nice because the sun is out. Yeah, let me tell you guys what's on the agenda for the day. So I am obviously going to Starbucks. I want to get a venti iced coffee something. I have been doing the whole looking on TikTok to find, I don't know, I've been looking on TikTok to try to find different drinks and stuff for like iced coffee, even though it's not really, I feel like it's not necessarily warm enough for iced coffee, but who gonna check me, you know? So I'm trying it anyway. So then I asked people on my Instagram for suggestions for like iced coffee drinks or cold coffee drinks. So I got a couple of those. So I might sift through those and see what, you know, people are suggesting here. Also, I might, you know, it might look a little different when I go back and look at this footage, but so far my skin looks really cool today. So yeah, so I still have that super annoying pimple like right here, but I did my best to kind of cover it today while not putting on a whole lot of makeup. I used literally like a tiny smidgen of my NARS Macao, and I mixed it with the Huda water jelly primer and my Benefit that gal primer that's like the brightening one. So I mixed those together with a tiny bit of Macao, so it made just like a really thin tinted moisturizer situation. But yeah, if you see this video, if you want to be a gym, you should absolutely comment a Starbucks order, like an iced Starbucks order, because I mean, I feel like the hot ones, I got that down. In the fall, I'm a pumpkin spice kind of girl. Like that's where I'm at in life. So yeah, just let me know. What else? Oh yeah, so I'll tell you guys what is on the agenda for the day. All right, it is, so I'm going to go to Starbucks, and then I might go to Target later. We'll see if there's anything I really need. But I am going to do an unboxing video because I ordered a bag from Saks the other day. So my girl Delana, Brown Girl Lux, if you haven't subscribed to her, I will put her channel up. So she does basically any and everything luxury you could want. She also does like makeup tutorials. She's super consistent. Yeah, so she posted on her Instagram of the same name, whatever, I'll post her handles. So anyway, so she posted on her Instagram that Saks was having a like spring March coupon code thing, whatever. So whatever you spend, you get X amount of dollars off. So it ranged anywhere from like $100 to $400 off. So I actually got a really good deal on the bag, and I'm super excited because I wanted a nude one with gold hardware, because I just bought this Prada one and it's a cute evening bag, and I wanted something black with with gold hardware. So now I have a black with gold hardware, so I wanted a nude with gold hardware as well. So yeah, so I will unbox that. I really need to wash my makeup brushes. I have to work out. I have to run errands with my man after I work out. And I should, in all honesty, I should, don't do it. I should clean my makeup studio because it's kind of just crazy. Oh, and then I have to edit and upload a try-on haul from the things that I got from Rainbow Shops. So yeah, big day, busy day. I actually have been up for a while now, so I should have actually got up even earlier than this, honestly, because I work out at 1 and it's already 11:11. Ooh, make a wish. Ooh, I got my wish already. Okay, so I just ordered a venti iced coffee, not the classic, which I don't really know what that means. And I got egg white bites, and then I got it with like caramel syrup and heavy cream and something. So, and I think I want to buy a reusable cup because it'd be nice to have a bougie little cup at home. Yeah. I think I should lean like this, huh? I don't even know. How much is this? Do I have small bills? This is a quart. Yes, I have no clue how much this is about to be. So yeah, I'm going to look at her assortment of... Maybe I can move this over a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to look at her assortment of cups and see... I don't know, see what cup I want to do. Really excited to go home and do this unboxing with you. Oh, this wig, y'all, it's like my little throw-on wig, you know. Oh, okay. I was like, who got water? Oh, she got water in. I'm always judging and like being nosy. I do my customer service voice. So excited for this, y'all have no idea. And I have the nerve to get somewhat healthy egg bites after getting all this crap in my coffee. But I got this one off TikTok, so I'll let y'all know how it is because I tried a different one the other time off of TikTok, and I felt like it could have been sweeter because it was still like a little bitter. I don't know. So we will see. Ooh, is that mine? That's looking delicious. I'm probably gonna edit all this out. Blowing a bag of Starbucks. Who am I? I just want the cup though, honestly. And it's so pretty. Can I get a straw as well?
Yes. They're just working on your egg bites.
Okay. So pretty.
Did you want any napkins?
No, that's okay. Thank you. Get the hell out of here because we took so long. All right. Hoorah. Ooh, can I just... No, I'm not going to park right there. Let me... Maybe I'll just park right here so I can show y'all what I've got. Because I'm really excited. Where are you going? I hate the way people turn. Come on, you don't need that much room. You're already out. Come on. You're already out. Just go. Anyway, man, I'm about to take this middle spot. Ooh, yeah, I'm definitely about to take the middle spot. Who leaves shopping carts? Ooh, do y'all know that whole shopping cart thing? Have I talked about this already? I feel like I have. Where it's like, there's like this test where it's like it determines by if you put your cart back or not when nobody's watching, if people have like the ability to govern themselves. So inherently, if you don't put your cart back, you're a bad person. Okay, so let's show you the money. I also got egg bites because I love the egg bites. So I got ooh, maybe I should have did it without the, this might be too sweet. So I got a venti iced coffee, caramel drizzle, 3 pumps white mocha, 2 pumps caramel syrup, heavy cream. And I meant to do it, not the classic, because apparently, I don't know. That's not actually as sweet as I thought. Could be because all this crap isn't really mixed in there. All right. I'm gonna turn on some music and head home so I can eat.
Rolls Royce better in heating wheels. Bags full of $100 bills. Charging past your wife and she gets shit.
Okay, so I had to put on a headband because I'm gonna go work out, and y'all know I told you it's a little throw-on wig with like a light. I can see a hair. Where is it? I had a lot of nerve zooming in like this, but anyway, I had to put a headband on because it's my hat wig. So it's not even secured down really like it should be, just maybe like this much. So I don't need that falling off, obviously. I should show y'all the water bottle that I got, because it's like one of those things where like Instagram made me do it. Woo! Excuse me. All right. No. Excusez-moi. So I got this water bottle. It's like the frosted, I don't know, the frosted one that has like the time markers on it. So yeah, I'm really excited about this because I love this water bottle. And I am currently just editing my video as I get ready to work out. So let me show y'all my little workout outfit of the day. I have on these Under Armour shorts, which are so cute. They're kind of tiny, but they're cute. I have on this top that's from Lulu, and under it you can see I have what am I trying to say? I have a sports bra tank on from Lulu as well. Just got on these regular Nikes with my Pokemon socks. So yeah, let's try to get this workout popping because I have a lot to do today. Okay guys, I told you I was going to do an unboxing. Obviously, I don't know, throughout the week, my wigs just kind of change depending on the day. This is like a throw-on wig too. I've been wearing it all day, so it is just a little nappy, but whatever. So we've got an unboxing. So this is how it's packaged. So I got this from Saks. And sorry about that hair on there. So yeah, I think I asked for a gift wrap. Not gonna lie, just cause I don't know, I like opening presents. So it just comes in cute little black and white box, and then you open it up, take the ribbon off, and you just have it in like the tissue paper here. So, like I said, my girl Delana is such a big bag girl. She makes me want to be a better bag girl, and yeah, so now I've just been like gifting myself things here and there. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so before we get into the actual bag, so you have the Saint Laurent dust bag. How cute is that? And then you have, I got it. Yeah, so how cute is this? So I got the YSL. I want to say it's the Kate in the small. And it just comes with the gold chain, which is tucked in. And this is maybe like a grained leather, pebbled leather, something in the powder color. I think it's probably pronounced fancy, like it's in the powder color. So it's like the nude color. And yeah, so then inside it just comes with the like authentication card. It's got, so it would have kind of a little price tag. They blurred it out because I did not get it full price. I ended up getting money off because of the little like sale for March. So then, how nice is that? I'm so excited. It is beautiful. And yeah, I wanted something that was nude with gold hardware because the Prada bag that I have is black with gold hardware, and I wanted something slightly bigger than the Prada crossbodies. I kind of want to get more into like top handles for like everyday bags, but I'll show you in comparison. So this is the Prada Saffiano leather. Probably has a name, but I don't really know the name. So I like this one, but the thing is like this is my phone, so it's like I put my phone in and it literally can just hold it, and I have like lip gloss, cards, blah blah blah. So I want something around this size but like slightly bigger so I can dress it up or down. So then I end up getting the Kate. So this is the comparison, like size comparison between my Prada one and the YSL one. And yeah, I got this one like a couple weeks ago and I was like, oh my god, how cute is that? And it just goes with everything. So this is becoming like my everyday bag, so I wanted like a new version and something. You see, like it's quite a bit bigger, so then I'm sure it can fit. Let's see, what do we have over here to put in there? Let's put the phone. Let's put some lip stuff. Let's put like a mascara. I really don't wear mascara like that. I don't like take it with me, but we could probably put like a mascara in here. Okay, so I got a phone. That. I wish I had my car keys. I would put my car keys on there. But yeah, so you have all of that in there. And it's so cute. It's literally like the cream leather. And yeah, I'm super excited about this. I almost wish maybe I shouldn't have got a gift box, because then maybe I could have gotten a YSL box for it. But I'm keeping the box anyway because I like my boxes. And I almost like the boxes more than I like the dust bags. But yeah, so that is just the Kate little bag and stuff. If y'all want me to link it, I will. Only thing is that if I link it, it's not going to be like the same price I pay for it, because I think when I bought it, it was like maybe $300 off or something like that. So, but I can still link it if you guys want. Other than that, yeah, that's it. I think that's kind of the last thing that wraps up this vlog. That's it. Goodbye.